What's up, everybody? It's Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears on YouTube and Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook, and we are still in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland for my second day, my second video. And today we're at the Twisted Rods of Maryland Car Club show at Pit and Pub on 127th Street. I filmed here all day. The video will be out tomorrow morning. You're watching it already on Friday morning. There was a video each day this week: Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. Each video I'll be doing a Bangin Gears swag giveaway. Today's giveaway is the Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like the one you see me wearing. Yesterday we gave a fleece. So if you haven't checked out yesterday's video, check that out. All the winners of all the gear will be announced on October 16th. I believe that's a Sunday. To be eligible, you need to subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on each video, and that puts you in a running to win the gear for that video. So 4 likes, 4 chances for you to win. So make sure you check it out. Weather today was absolutely beautiful. After 5 days of rain, today was a gorgeous day. And as a last minute reminder, don't forget to check out the Facebook group called the Bangin Gears Garage. Anything like automotive related, put your pictures up there, put your flyers up there for events you have going on. We're just trying to grow it and see how it goes, okay? So enjoy today's video, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.